Okay, well, I guess you didn't hear any of that. I didn't have it on live. But I think I'm live now. I only have one screen to run today, so I don't know how well I'm going to do. All right, we have 5 minutes to go. So my video is not very good. I don't even know. Maybe I can get a sound check from somebody. I'm anticipating it sounds okay. I got a couple cats running around. They're not used to me, so one was just up in my screen here and would not move. I think I'm going to grab a cup of coffee real quick, so I'm going to turn the video off and the sound off, and I'll be right back.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scroll.
All right, I'll wait a few minutes. I'm actually going to wait till open. I'm playing the 2-minute pre-market. So probably, no, not yet. Be the next candle. Let's see if I can run like this. I don't know if I can. Not yet, though. Not yet. All right. Today, I won't do any. Can't do any pre-market check as far as, let's see. Let me look at a 15-minute. Okay. Maybe you're gonna have to. You can come up here. I can't keep trying up here. You out with me? I know. All right, we had some news at 5:30, I think, and got a little bit of a gap up. From my charts show, anyway. I don't know. I'm seeing all kinds of weirdness. All right, so here's the 2-minute. Okay. Got a pugs. See how that goes. He's making all kinds of snorting noises. All right, we got a minute to go. I'm gonna get rid of that. So this is my pre 2-minute. right here. So we're about ready to run, and hopefully it goes better than it did on Friday, or I'm sorry, Tuesday. All right, here we go. There's the open. We're hanging out. We opened at VWAP, so it's going to be a lot of back and forth, which generally doesn't bode well for the 2-minute. When you open at VWAP, you get a lot of chop. So I'm expecting a lot of chop. Yep. The pre-range is 17, which is, I think, good. $54. Yeah, only 1 point so far, so it's got to go 2 points below. Open at VWAP, this is what you get, plus also holiday trading. You could get some big moves just because I'm not sure why it took that. Oh, I know why. Because my gun, nope, the gunslinger didn't take it. Oh. I'm going to get out of this short. I'm not sure why or what took it. Yep, just going to let it play out. Come on, baby, get up there. But this is what you get at VWAP, right? Okay, Michael. That's an F day today, too. Take one off here. It gets back up there. I'm playing pretty tight, so probably going to get stopped out here. At least on one. There you go, one off. For nothing. And your chips are free. I'm going to reduce my stop. I don't like it. Probably be the day that it works, right? Take one off. Good little start. Michael, you can hear me? Audio's okay? Okay, my gunslinger just took a long at 396. $396.50. Get back up there, I'll take it also. See how he does today. Okay, so it has a target right here, 404. Just missed it. Probably should have took it. So only 8 points. But that was a win. Only 8 points because that's what the ATR is. ATR is not much, and 80% of that. We'll move this guy up to 26, 27 area. Let me look at 15 minute if I can. There's your 40 pointer. Damn it. It's going up to 50. I'll try locking in. All right, another decent trade. I'll lock in 11. That'll give me 16 locked in. There you go, just took it. All right, some base hits. Good way to start. Okay, still have 6 minutes to go on the pre-2 market. I'm going to leave that run. If we come down, it'll take the short. Oh, cat's going crazy. Michael still hasn't responded on my audio. He's like, yeah, man. Nope, nope. So the cat's 8, and they are getting a little riled up, to say the least. Let me check my, do I even have audio on? Yeah, I got it on. All right, just checking. Can you hear me? That's the question. Here, I'll zoom it up a little bit. Let me hear my voice a little bit higher. Oh well, that's the dogs. That was the dog. All right, you can see we dropped down. Nice little move down. I did, but it froze and I had to log off. Okay. All right, perfect. All right, so nice little drop down. Now you can. Okay, thank you. Perfect. Yeah, I just wasn't sure. Okay, so it looks like I might take this short. I don't know if I want to take this short, honestly. But that's where my bias, I should not be biased, right? I should just let it play out. Because we're dropping below VWAP. We're going to drop below that 2-minute low. If it takes it, I will... Alright, didn't take it. For whatever reason it should have. I'll just take one. There you go. Oh, damn it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I didn't get it. I'm going to try. There we go. I got some of it. Alright. So it took 2 trades, 60 points. Son of a bitch. Well, there's 60. That should be 80. Oh, it hasn't updated yet because it's not done yet. The trade's not over. Watch it get fucking 120. That cocksucker. Yeah, this trade's not over yet. It hasn't closed out. It hasn't gone back here to break even. 52. Gosh damn it. All right, so we took out yesterday's high. And stop out? Nope, not yet. There you go. There's the stop. We've got 20 points, 80 points total for the day. 2 trades, 2 wins. Okay, not bad. I'll turn these guys on now. See if we can capture some. So that F day, but it's a Friday. So you just never know. Right? And I told myself today, don't fuck with the trades. But did I listen? Apparently not, because I fucked with the trades. Well, for one, for some reason, I didn't take the trades. Not sure why. But shit happens. But my Replicano's working nicely. I'm up 567. Okay. Not bad. Okay, so let me look at the 15-minute real quick. That's what I was trying to do before I was interrupted by the cat. Okay, there we go. Beautiful it is, I can look at other things and you guys still just see my screen, so. All right, so we're pushing higher. That's the trend. The trend is up. Let me look at the 5-minute real quick. Probably missed it, but let's see. 5-minute. I hate running on one monitor. It sucks. There we go. Okay. So the 5-minute. Get my Fibonacci's going. So there's the 5-minute. Went from a low to a high. Oh, we went past the 38.2 and past the 50%, so I would have got stopped out. It was a 5-point stop. But man, what a great short that was. And we came down to the 138 to 150 again on the low. So the question is, do we go long right here, right now, or? Oh. All right, so let me switch over to my 1-minute chart. That's the chart I prefer. There we go. Okay, we got a cross, but way down here, man, at 342. So I will not play that yet. It's too fast, too steep and too fast. We're down here at pull target 2 and pull target 1 for some reason. I think my posty pivots might be a little off just because of the holiday. They get kind of discombobulated there. Okay, so did we come up and fill the gap? Nope, we didn't hit that gap. Let's do a rectangle. We filled that gap, filled the gap at 371, down to 353. I'd consider a short at 351. Like I said, I think we should be looking for longs though. Everything's kind of slanted to the upward. I'm going to try to upload my historical data. Oh, my charts are all updating real quick. Did we just open? Maybe we opened this morning. I don't even know when we opened, so. Maybe I didn't need to do that. Well, we're at 369, 370, 372, making a little up move. Gotta wait for my screens to update real quick. I reloaded the history. Maybe I didn't need to do that because they came exactly back to where they were, so it must have been correct. Okay, we're at 377, 374. A little choppy in there. And that's what happens when you open up a VWAP, right? Well, you know, I could thank Matt for that. Trade with Matt, trades by Matt, whatever it is. You know, I never really put the 1 + 1 together, and he came up and I was watching his feed one day and he said, well, you know, if we open up a VWAP, chances are it's going to be a chop for a little while. And once I started watching for that, I was like, oh, he's right. So there's a little W pattern. Like we just filled that 1 minute gap. Right there. I can take that one off. There's my 15. Let me get my 5 minute. See it? Two screens that I like to watch, and that is the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Okay, we just filled that gap, so the gap at 390 is closed. The 1 minute and the 5 minute. Okay, so there's my Momo taking another trade. Oh, he only took my sim did not, my things did not take it. So let me switch over to sim 101. He got in at 93. So we're close enough. I'm going to try to get 10 points here. Should have waited for 93. Got a little bit of a gap here in the 5 minute down to 83. That would be about a 15-point stop. Let's see if Gunslinger has it today. It says his stop is 08.25, but he's up at 09.25. So I'm not sure if that's a paint problem or a deal there. So we close the 5 minute gap here. I'm going to add one right here. And I'll take one off, 10 points. I got in at 87. I'll take it off at 97 if we get back up there, just one. And then I'll let the other one run up to Gunslinger. That was a 5 minute gap fill at 84 roughly. So 94 technically is what I would look for. We just got it. And if history serves me correct, you should take it off there no matter where you get in at. You should have been in at, it should have been in at 84 and a quarter or something like that. See how we come back down? So you come in, you take the 10 points, right? So the gap fill was here at 84 because then you get into problems. And you take that off at 94 where we got to. All right, so there's a nice little loss there. Took out all my profits. What did Gunslinger do? Okay, he took the loss, so now he's minus 14. All right. So we got a little 1 minute gap down here at 61. The 1 minute weighted moving average is kind of in the upward slant along with VWAP. Okay, there's the 1 minute gap fill. Let me try short. Let's just see what happens. I don't really have a bias. I'm just playing a gap fill. Move down now. And if it moves up, okay, then we're going to go higher. How's that for logic? Well, if we don't go up, we're going to go down. We did hit the 61.8, so I'm a little leery about taking the short. We came down from that last high up, so I'm going to put my stop in around 80. Just got taken out. Okay. Okay. We keep coming down and we can close this 1 minute. I'll take a short. Seconds. I don't have my regular glasses either. It's hard for me to see stuff. I just got some cheaters on. So 4 seconds. Didn't make the cross. Doing a lot of chop is what we're doing. So if this one closes with the cross, I'll take the short. If not, it's a long. Gunslinger, that was a good long right there. Just got taken out. It happens. It happens. This is an old camera from 2010 or something, so the quality is not as good. But the audio works. That was really all I was after. I just needed something. I didn't bring my camera and I didn't bring a microphone, so yeah, I know, Michael. I'm a glutton for some punishment. I'm down a little bit, very little. We should be coming with an inside bar here, I would think, pretty soon. Okay, I don't need those. Let's see. Yeah, the 5 minutes. So this potentially could be an inside bar if we just kind of hang out here. I'm sure inside bars are going to be easy to come by today because we're not going to go anywhere. Ooh. Oh, gotta, never mind. All right, I put my 5 minute and 15 minute inside bar back on because when I refreshed it, historical data, yeah, so we came down and filled a gap. I don't know, I got a big gap here from, let's say 8:45, 21:45 to 8:45. I don't know what the hell. See if we just grind up here. Holiday trading at its finest. But I recovered on my Replicano, so at least I figured that back out again. I'm excited for Monday. Okay, so here's the short. This closes in the red. Could be a good short. The inside bar, the 5 minute will cancel out if we get below 62, I think. Yep, 62.75. We got 27 seconds, and I think we're going to break it. Nope. They usually hold it. If we come within 40 seconds of staying within, they usually hold it. But today is not a usual day. 12 seconds. Oh, they're going to hold it. So this is going to be an inside bar here. Oh, 4 seconds. Yep, they're going to hold it. All right, so there should be an inside bar. Yep, on the 5 and the 15. So we got both of them. And my system says longs are okay. So the question is, do I play both of them or do I just play one of them? If you play both of them, you get a double loss. If you play one of them, you only get a single loss. Okay, if we drop this on the short side, I'll take it short. Even though it says only longs, but I'll manually take it. And I'll just shoot for 20 points. See, both systems say longs are okay, which means the software won't take it. I'll have to manually take it if I want to play the shorts, because we're, for the most part, in an uptrend. Okay, to recap, the software took 2 trades in the morning, 2 wins for 80 points. I subsequently lost that money. Okay, I'll actually take both of them if we get them. It'll take a long here at 91 and then at 99 on the 5 and the 15. We'll give it a shot. What the hell? And I'll try not to play them or try not to touch them. I'm going to make sure all my points are set up with 20 points. So hopefully I don't screw things up. Yep. Okay, so everything's set for 20 and 20. 20, 21, 22, somewhere in there. It's all fine. I'm going to try to keep my hands off the trade. Oh, maybe we get another inside bar on the 5 minute. So if we get it at 90, so 10 would be target 1 and target 2 and 3. Or target 1. And then this guy will be at 99, so he'll be at 19 would be his targets. But it looks like we're going to get another inside bar, another 5 minute inside bar. Okay, 1 minute, 14 seconds left on the 5. Not saying I'm a big fan of this short. I'm a bigger fan of this short. We are up 65 points, so kind of in the gray area, in my opinion. So here we would need 43. Which I do like. Somewhere around right before this 15 minute. So I'll put both of them in at around 44. Wow. Same thing happened. Okay. This will end our scheduled broadcast station. We'll be back to you as soon as we can.